Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. I your girl, Debbie from Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. If you're new to my channel, welcome once more. Thank you so much for making it West Indian Delights. All of my old time, long time, I don't know what thing going on. Big up on yourself again, manners and respect. Okay? Now today, what I'm gonna demonstrate, I'm gonna teach you to do is to roast a whole chicken. Now, roasting a chicken can be really, I don't know, as a person who never roast a chicken before, as a young cook or new cook, I say, it's so, no sir, I can't roast chicken, so technical, but I'm going to show you the do's and the don'ts, maybe not everything on this video, because roasting a small chicken and roasting a large chicken, it varies. So we're going to use today a small one. This is a small chicken, I call this a small chicken. So right here, what you need to do, let me just, oops, oh Lord, accident already. What you need to do, you don't want to have your chicken cavity well cleaned like this, okay? So you want to have it on a towel because you want to go hot. I hope you all in. A camera girl, are you in? And you want to make sure all under these, the wings and everywhere, all those young feathers, they are free of them. You want to mostly get on the inside all dry, yeah? So it's best to use a towel. When you're done, you know how to clean your towel. Yeah man, you wash your towel properly and stuff. So you want to get your chicken as dry as possible because you're putting it in the oven and you don't want it to go in there with no whole heap of water if you start spring up no whole heap of water. Okay. Now, this is how it is. This is how it's gonna stay. There are different ways. Some people, you know, just a presentation and keep most of the skin on. I'll show you in another video when I was trying and leave it a little of the fat. Don't leave it too dry of everything. Okay, you don't want it too wet up and you don't want it too dry. In another video, I'll show you can use your curved needle to catch up all of these parts. This is just like the first, I think this is the first old roast chicken video I've been doing. Camera girl, first one. Yeah man, this is the first one. There are others to come. Other different little tricks and trades. Now, as I told you, make sure inside here is dry because we're gonna go in with a little dry rub. And I will tell you, oh Lord, some people are saying, and it's true, we are guilty. Not everything, camera girl does that. Not everything when it's put in the description box of each video. But I'm sorry, first of all, but sometimes you have to sit with us because you know, say how it goes sometimes. Camera girl does that part, and sometimes, you know, we don't make it. But we are going to try to correct it. So I have a dry rub here, and this consists, but I'll link for you some coriander seeds, pimento seeds crushed. We have cumin, we have some cayenne, we have salt, and I think that's it. Okay, so we're going to use some of this because we have to get some flavor on the inside of this chicken, okay? We need to use some to flavor on the inside. So we're using a reasonable amount of it. Now that we have dried it, we can remove our towel. I think that is good. So now we are going to focus on the outside because we want some taste to this roast chicken, and we don't want no taste on the outside alone and when time in the chicken when the chicken finish, okay? And you this is how I'm marinating mine. When the chicken is finished, and you cut that leg and thigh and you eat, you just taste the flavor on the outside of the chicken skin and then something inside. When you get to the inside, no taste, no flavor. Tastes like boiled chicken, No, so I hope you're all in on this little exercise. So you treat it. Make sure under the wings, get a little treatment, okay? Everybody, everywhere. So you with your dry rub. So you see the cayenne pepper. If you have paprika, you can put a little, but be careful. You notice the cayenne pepper is giving it like a little color already, because the cayenne pepper is the only thing. I'm using it for a little coloring and also for a little flavoring. Now inside here, so we're gonna put some little stuff in here, because these stuff are to let some juice remain inside the cavity of this chicken. It's going into the oven. The oven is very famous for drying out things, so you want something in there to, when it starts baking, remember you dry out the excess water, it has some moisture, so it will sweat and the moisture will hold, but also something with some flavor. All right, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use some scallions. They have been washed. This is what I'm gonna use to put inside, just to hold it together and also for flavoring. I'm gonna put some scallions on the inside. I have some onion. I'm just gonna put like, remember it's a small chicken, you know. This don't need more than about that, just that. I'm gonna put a piece of green parsley. It's a small chicken. If it was a bigger one, it would be more. It is to hold it together and at the same time some flavor. And last but no, not last, I'm gonna put a little piece of rosemary. Okay, now if you notice, I'm not putting a lot because this is not rosemary chicken. I'm gonna smash 3 pegs of garlic. And I'm gonna stuck it inside there as well. Now I have left right here on because I want to get this 2 legs in the inside here, so you have it like this to close the chicken. Mind you, you might not get your chicken with this part, but I'll show you in another video if you don't get your chicken with this part, how you can do it. Okay, now that we have this chicken, this is what you use to close it. Okay, but in another video with one, or I'll burst it and show you how you can close up everything together. Now we are gonna leave this chicken here to marinate for a good, okay, I think we have this. We never use this. I'm sorry, fam. We didn't use this. I'm supposed to rub some of this on the outside, the scallions. Okay. Never roast chicken yet, baby. I idiot. I'm sorry, y'all. I was talking family. So I'm gonna rub on some of this on the outside, because I want the flavor of the scallions. But I'm not gonna put it in there. I'm just gonna rub it to get the flavor. So I'm gonna finish rubbing it on, leave it to marinate, and then when we return, we're gonna be ready for the oven. So you leave this to marinate for about 30 minutes, half an hour. It's good. And also you want to turn the wings. You want to have them turning in the wings like these, and tuck them under. So you bend them over like this and you tuck it under. Okay, y'all? And tuck it under just for, so you see how she look. You saw she look. Look at her. Give them a shot, camera girl. Any hot girl a road that. Okay? Well prim and proper. Ready for the road anytime. Ready for the oven. So when we return, you'll see how we are gonna get this thing put. Where we're going with our casserole, and let me tell you from now. The casserole differs. Small chickens like this, you use a shallow casserole, not too deep. So we're using this shallow, but when we come back, we're going to show you how we proceed to put our chicken in our casserole, at what temperature, for what time, and all of that. Okay, y'all? Okay, now fam, I've left my casserole inside my oven to get heated. So I'm going to remove my casserole from the oven. Empty casserole, y'all. Dry. I'm just going to pop a little oil. Use some oil with some color. Or if you want to use some melted butter, it's fine. It's up to you. So, it's hot, you know, remember that. So you just want to get it all coated. If you have a brush, I have a brush, but I didn't really, honestly, I didn't really get to where the brushes are. So you use a brush just to coat your pan, your casserole. What you need to do now you need to remove. You don't want the scallion. You don't want anything go inside of this thing if you can burn it, you know. We just use it and rub it, so we finish with it. So we're gonna take it out gently. Make sure nothing is there to be burned, and we're gonna rest it inside our casserole. Okay? Now we are gonna want this little girlie are gonna want some company. Girls love company. So we're gonna put some of these things. And put in some carrots. Put what you want to put. I have some turnip. I'm using turnip because this is another vegetable and so that is underutilized in my country, and I'm trying to use it. Some people just put it in soup. It has flavor. Okay, I like it too. So we're not going to put any scallion in here. So we're putting carrots, yes, and we're put set them uniform, even them up, make it look appealing, you know. Okay, that when you do your own and you post it up on Instagram, it look hot. Like something that go on feet, okay? Now it is here. It's cool down now because we put the cold chicken in there. So I can't hold it with my hand. But you please hold it with what you want to hold it with. Something to protect your hand. Now it's 200 degrees Celsius and we are going in. We're setting the oven for 1.5 hours. And we're going to set it leave it at 200, no covering, in the middle of the oven for 1.5 hours. But for the first half an hour, you let it stay at 200 degrees. After that, I will return to lower the oven, or you should lower your oven to 175 degrees Celsius. And I am going to come back, by that time, it should be sort of all dried. And I'm going to come back with a little melted butter to see how far, if it's ready to take the melted butter, because the melted butter is going to give it a little crispiness to the skin on top there and a little extra coloring. Okay, y'all? So 200 degrees for 1.5 hours. The first half an hour, it remains for 200. After that, it will be lowered to 175 degrees Celsius. If you're using Fahrenheit, it has got to be 400, and then you lower it to what? 400, then you lower it to about 275. Yes, 400 on Fahrenheit, then you lower it after the first half an hour to 275. Okay, y'all? Okay, y'all. So it is like half an hour inside the oven, so you'll have to take it out. So you're gonna close the oven for the little time because you don't want to eat. Look at what is happening. Look at it after half an hour. Turn up your veggies. Alright, little company them. Turn them over. What you're gonna do now, you're gonna make sure you have your melted butter ready. And then you're gonna, like a professional, you make sure you get the wings start. You don't have to do anything underneath, you know, because it will be taking the color under there. You see what is happening right here? It's taking color. Alright. So, you put on your melted butter because you're going to get that, when the heat take it, you're going to get this pretty brown color. Now I want to show you all something else because we're going to put it back in the oven. We have to put it back real fast. Constantly, you keep turning your veggies, that them keep moist in the juices that is been extracted or been released from the chicken. Don't make them stay on one side, you know? So, we're going to return to the oven. Yes. You got to do this real quick, eh? Now that you have returned, you're going to return to the oven. You're going to put it back in there you're going to lower the heat now, reduce the temperature to 175, and after, I'm not going to come back, and I know you can adhere to this. After another half an hour at the same 175, you're going to give it one more brush with the melted butter. Turn up back your veggies, make sure they're not burning, okay? I don't know the nature of your stove, okay? And you're gonna return it back for still 175, so you will still have another half an hour leave inside here. So this is how you're gonna do it. When you see me next, the chicken should be ready. And I did say 400 Fahrenheit and 270, from 400 to 275, it's from 400 to 375. I'm sorry, y'all. So remember this. After, you know, we are reduced 175. Now it's you got to do not reduce it before you take it out. for the first time. After you take it out, remember to do it fast. The temperature is dropping. You can't afford to let it drop too much. So you remove it, brush on your little melted butter fast, return it, then reduce it, okay? And after another half an hour at the same temperature, you're not going to reduce it again. You brush it one more time with your little melted butter, and then after another half an hour, if there's an extra 10 minutes or so, not more than 10 minutes maybe, or 7 to 8 minutes extra, you should have your chicken ready. So when we return, yeah, we'll see, because I'm not going to come back to show you how to put on the second. I think you all should get that, okay? So when we return, our roast chicken, baby. Now family, chicken is ready. The chicken, shoot them up camera, girl. Shoot them up on this chicken. What I want to show you, you see here that we had the skin and I didn't get to sew it up. You notice this, the skin part. That's why you have to keep your skin on, especially when roasting your chicken. This part brown, but it's not as brown and pretty as the skin. The skin does it, okay y'all? Now we're going to use some of these juices. You're going to let it rest a bit. So you want to take up some of these juices and you want to just pour it all over, because it's ready now, you know. So you want to get everything will come out of it. All these vegetables, what you can do, you can, you know, with the rest of everything stock and all the little grease and stuff inside here. But we are not going to do it on this video for you. I'll show you on another video sometime to come how you can use this to just cook them out and to strain them through a sieve, and then you can get it. That's the flavor you're going to need, the flavor from them, because the flavor is heavenly. So you'll use it to make your gravy and to maintain that nice flavor. Huh? So we're gonna get all these juices on top. Yeah, be careful. We're gonna leave it to rest. We're gonna leave it to rest for about 5 to 6 minutes. Then we'll return, remove it from the casserole to a serving platter. Okay? And I'm not gonna garnish. I'll show you how to garnish, not garnish, sorry, how to carve your roast chicken. But I'll do it on another video. So therefore that video will be a chicken roasted already, and I show you how to carve it. And I want to say something. That time, the timing with the oven that I gave you is for a straight gas oven, family. Not for these electric and gas and electric together. That's 200 reduced to 175. I've got to be for straight gas. I'll work for you. I'll just work out the difference of the time with the electric oven and leave it in the description. I promise I'll leave it in the description. The gas is more stronger than these. These I didn't know. This is the first. You know, you all know who are following the journey that this is a new stove I've gotten a few months ago. So I was really, it's the first I've roasted chicken inside here. The other stove that I had, that was it. That was it for the years I had it. 200 reduced to 175 after half an hour. That's it. But these are just different. They're slower. So you got to understand your oven. Okay, y'all? So we are scooping up all of these juices. That's how you're going to do it. And put it all over it. And leave it. Let it rest for another 5 to 6 minutes. Then you're going to return. Remove it to the serving platter. And we're going to show you what it looks like. We might slice off a little something for show you, because you know what, see what I want. Okay? Okay, now family, you have some things that you use to just hold it. I don't have, but if you have, you do. You would need 2 firm spatula, but this is one I want to look at. Thank you, one, and this one is a metal one. I just want to show you how you would proceed to remove it to the serving platter. And I hope it works well, because one of this thing is not a nice little thing. But let's try. So you make sure all of the juices drip. And then you remove it to your platter. Oops, where you going? Of course you know me want you to eat, but me not ready yet. Where you come off I go? Okay, now let us get the casserole out of the way, because we want to present to you this here little girl. Cute little girl, nice little girl. All she ready to do have to eat. Shoot them up, camera girl, shoot them up, shoot them up. Now we're on to our serving platter. So, you know, as usual, this we're gonna present, you know, okay? So what I've done, garnish, we need a little garnish. Can you see it look dead right there, eh? So hands are clean and they must be clean. After your kitchen, after your chicken, after your garnish, it's your thing. So we want to pep it up a bit on the platter. So I went ahead, I had some carrots, I coarsely shredded some of them, okay? And what you do when you do it like this, you do it on a, make sure the platter is dry, and you do it on a napkin to absorb all that excess juice from it, because you don't want. I have some beets, and I did the same thing. So you want to put a handful there. We're garnishing, you know. Hello, put the camera upon me. It is Easter coming, you know. And you're going to have guests over, okay? Alright, so I hope you're all keen on this one. We have some parsley right here. And we're going to put one right there. Okay? Because, let us move this back a bit. Okay. So now you'd put the parsley right there. We'd need one of that look something for us, but it's okay. It's okay. So there you have it. Your oven roasted chicken done from scratch. You saw it. Okay, you all? So from my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your Surinamese, your Japanese, your American, your Canadian, you name it. It's oven roasted chicken. Enjoy. Remember I told you, all those that we have left, that you have left in your casserole, you would go now, scrape them out, and then put them in a pot. Because you're not going to make the gravy in the casserole. No, man. Put them in a pot, nice little saucepan, and let them boil together and use that thing to mush them out. When they have cooled down, you strain it off because you don't want all those extra stuff. You just want the juices. And you put in your little barbecue, whatever your little sauce to make your roast chicken gravy. Hello, please. Now, we want to see what is happening. As I said to you, I'm going to show you on another video how to garnish your, how to keep saying garnish, how to what's the word, how to carve, oh my word, your chicken. Now I'm showing you this. You know, you get these things with the rotisserie chicken at the supermarket. Yeah man, so if you have your bestie, and if you're over on the Debbie Deb Stray, you know we're talking about best friends and real friends over there. So if you have your bestie and you want to do two, or you want to do two, and if you don't even have your bestie, what is wrong with this thing? I'm not going to put it in there, but I'm well, yes, you can, suppose you do two, because your oven is big, and if you have enough, you just do two, and you can put it in here. Make sure it's properly cool. Or if you even have some of this and you have left, you just put it in there, but make sure it's properly cool and you can store it in your refrigerator. Or if you want to do two and to give your friend one, or to do two and leave one for another time, you can use this. Okay, y'all? Hello. I don't have the proper carving knife and fork right now, but I am gonna show you. You are supposed to use a, I don't even have that. I'm gonna show you on a proper way to carve your roast chicken. Okay, I'm gonna be using this knife, but this is not the correct knife, you see. So the most technical part, that we always have problems with, is the breast. From the breast cook, everywhere else cook. So we're going to try to get a slice of the breast, and I want to show you what it looks like so you'll know that it's cooked. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Properly cooked. Properly cooked. When you squeeze it, you don't see any water coming out. So if you want to slice some more and to make some sandwiches, you can do that. So once more, from my kitchen to yours, please do enjoy. Debbie from Donga Yard, I said bless, no stress.